So guys, today's recipe will be rasmalai, which you can have in your dessert. So first of all, I'm going to show you the ingredients that I'll be using. The first thing that I'll use is 1 liter of milk. Then we got vinegar, that's 1 teaspoon in little quantity that you need to use. Then we got 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Then corn flour, 1 teaspoon. This is 2 cups of sugar, which I will use. We got 2 ripped lychee, that is 2 cardamom over here. Then we got some dry fruits. You can see there are cashew nuts, raisins, almond and chironji. And at last we have few strands of saffron, kesar. So guys, let's go back to our kitchen and make this recipe. Now we are in our kitchen. We'll switch on the gas. I've taken 1 liter of milk, so I'll heat the milk until it's boiled. Now we'll turn off the gas. We'll turn off the gas and allow it to cool for a few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. We'll check the temperature of the milk. It's not that hot. So what we will do is, now we'll add our vinegar and water. So first we will mix the vinegar and the water together and pour in it in a reach quantity, and then we will stir it like this. See, I don't have lemon. If you have lemon at home, you can use lemon instead of vinegar, but I'm using vinegar. You can curdle it slowly. Add a little more. Now we will check the texture of the milk. I think we're almost there. So we'll turn off the gas and we'll see. See, we got the texture of this chenna. So in the meantime, what we'll do is, we'll keep our other utensils ready. That is our colander. We'll use a cloth also. This is my colander. And I'll use a cloth, cotton cloth, so that I can strain my chenna into it. As you can see that now my chenna is almost ready. I've squeezed the water, so you can see it is collected in my colander. Now I'll keep my chenna aside for 10 to 15 minutes, and in the meantime we'll prepare our syrup as well as rabri. Guys, I will turn on the gas, and I've taken half liter of milk, which is half the milk which I've used earlier. So what I'll do is, I'll boil this milk and slowly and gradually I'll add my ingredients. As you can see, I've got saffron. So I poured 1 teaspoon of water, which I'll add it in my milk to get a good color. I'm not using any food color because it's not good for health. And I've got other ingredients such as lychee. I'll add lychee as well. And then I'll stir it. Saffron basically adds color to your syrup, the rabri. So what we'll do is we'll add some dry nuts and give it a good stir. Keep stirring for a few minutes. You can see the color. This is actually used in rasmalai. You can see the color. So what we will do is, after stirring for a few minutes, we got 1 cup of sugar which we will add into it. You must be thinking it must be a large amount of sugar, but it's not, because in rasmalai the taste is sweet. So that is why I have poured 1 cup of sugar. Keep on stirring it so that the sugar melts in it and it gives you good flavor. Now we will stir, keep on stirring it until it's boiled. We will keep on stirring for a few more minutes until the water boils and our sugar melts in it. In the meantime, what we will do is, our chenna is almost ready. So on a flat plate, we'll knead the dough. This is my dough ready. Now guys, you can see my chenna is almost ready. So once this thing is boiled, my syrup is boiled, then we will knead the dough. I think my dough is almost done, as you can see. So what we will do is, we'll add a little corn flour in it, around 1/4, and again we'll knead the dough. As you can see that I've transferred my flat round balls into the sugar syrup. I'll cook it for another 10 to 15 minutes, as you can see. Put it on the high flame so the syrup will absorb into the round balls, rasgullas. Keep on checking after every 5 to 7 minutes. Guys, as you can see, my rasgullas are fully fluffed. You can see they have increased in size. So what we will do is, we'll cover it with the lid, and for about 15 minutes we'll keep it. After 4 to 5 minutes, I believe my rasgullas are almost done. So what we will do is, we will transfer them into a bowl. Now you can see in the video that I've already prepared my rabri. So what I'll do is, I'll transfer my rasgullas into the rabri one by one, because it has already absorbed the sweetness of sugar syrup. So very slowly you have to pour. Along with the sugar syrup, your rasgulla will go inside, and it will seep the flavor of rabri in it, as well as the color. Normally you see, when you go to a halwai shop, you will find people eating this rasmalai with this flavor as well as with the color. So the color will also absorb into the rasgullas. For this you have to keep it in the refrigerator for around 3 to 4 hours, and in the dinner you can enjoy it. Hello friends, how are you all doing during this lockdown? I'm sure you're doing fine by the grace of God. So today's recipe which I showed you on my channel, Stanley Kitchen, was about ras malai, which you can enjoy with your friends and family. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you do enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, that is Stanley Kitchen, and stay tuned for my upcoming video. Stay home, stay safe.